Alright, this is station one today, and this is going to be called Paragraph Logs. We're going to be taking a look at the text concerning Harriet Tubman replacing Andrew Jackson on the $20 bill. And paragraph logs, if you will, divide your paper in half. So we'll actually make it 3 columns, as you see here, just have it really skinny on the left side. So the essential question at this station is, why is Andrew Jackson considered so controversial that he may be removed from the $20 bill? And so we're going to take a look at paragraph 1, and I'll have it right here. It says, New York, New York. Growing up in Oklahoma, Becky Hobbs noticed that some of her Cherokee elders would not even touch a $20 bill. Their avoidance stemmed from a deep hatred for Andrew Jackson, the 19th century president pictured on the front of the bill. To this day, Hobbs, now a 66-year-old songwriter, pokes Jackson in the face whenever she gets a $20 bill. So in paragraph 1, the reason why this is going to be called plus minus paragraph logs, positive, we're going to be taking the left side, we'll call that positive, or plus. So you can put a plus sign or just write the word plus or write the word positive. Either way is fine with me. I know what you're talking about. And on the right, put negative, and you can put a minus sign or just say minus. I don't know. All right. And as I read paragraph 1, this seems to be more of a negative paragraph. So I said this is more of a negative paragraph because it's a reference to the Trail of Tears. Now I'll read paragraph 2. It says, for Hobbs and many other Native Americans, the U.S. Treasury's decision to replace Jackson's portrait with Harriet Tubman's is a hugely meaningful change. All right, that's going to be more positive because Harriet Tubman's going to be considered to be is a hero and may replace Jackson on the $20 bill. So I'm looking at that as a positive here. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the rest of the text and, well, excuse me, you don't have time to read the rest of the text. That would take you forever. Read 8 more paragraphs. Okay, and do it in order. And you're going to distinguish whether or not the paragraph is positive or whether it's negative. If it's positive, obviously put it here. If it's negative, obviously put it over here. And then at the bottom, your summary is going to be the answer to the EQ. And the EQ number 2 is, should Harriet Tubman replace Jackson on the $20 bill? That's going to be a reflection. So the difference between a summary and reflection. Summary, everything is, it's just the facts. It's just the gist of the article. The who's, the what's, the when's, the where's, the why's, the how's. And a reflection is more of an opinion-based answer. And so by saying should Tubman replace Jackson on the $20 bill, you're going to have to use facts to justify your opinion. All right, it's plus minus logs. That's station 1.